Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I have a Simply Gilded unboxing video for you. And this month's theme is cozy and crisp, which even though in Australia it's spring right now, it's still pretty cold. Honestly, it feels like winter, so I can't help but feel that this kit is really appropriate for right now. Oh, and they have the bunny at the back. All right, let's open it up and see what we've got. Ooh. This is really nice. Okay, I'm pretty sure this has all the washi tape, so I'll leave this to last, but this is like way nicer than some of the other pouches we've been getting. Like, it looks like a legitimate purse you could take with you. Okay, so it's the August box. So first we have a little charm, a little bow charm. I think I've got a couple of these now, but mine are like hot pink or fuchsia. I like the little charms at the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like a little acorn and a little heart, which is really cute. And then we have some no, it's not post-it notes, pen loops. They're like little leather pen loops. Oh, vegan leather. All right, so they're just false leather. Oops. Okay, but oh, okay, you can stick this onto like on the inside of a planner, and then you can put your pen through. This is actually going to be really helpful. I've already got like a ton of planners I know I could use this for. So I'll take it out. And then we have nap time cardstock and the stickers. I'll open up this. Ooh, that's really nice. I love that artwork. So we have some half boxes here. Fall in Love, the bear, some more full boxes and some titles. And then, okay, I love the foiling, but this is actually 2 full boxes. Oh, sorry for all the ink stains. I've been using fountain pens this morning and got a little messy, but we're all good. And then some clip art and more full boxes. And then we have the bear stickers and some bow stickers. I just love how reflective the foil is on camera. It just looks really cool. And then the last one is a notebook, which I'm pretty sure is blank, but let me open it up and just double check. Okay, there we go. Cozy and, oh no, it's dark grid. That's actually way better. I'm pretty sure I've seen this already, like the bigger notebooks being dark grid, and I don't know why it so shocks me because I just expect it to be blank, but this is awesome. Oh, yes. Okay. Now let's get into the pouch. There's like a little hook here that you can put a chain on if you want. It's a button. It feels so nice. Ooh, the inside feels like very like fuzzy. Really nice. Okay, so we have a bunch of washi tape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we have a pen. I'm pretty sure this is just an average black gel pen that you've probably seen a gazillion times if you've watched my previous Simply Gilded unboxing videos. So I won't test this, but let's go ahead and unwrap the washi tape. Okay, so I'm back, and I don't think these washis really reflect the kit. For some reason, I feel like they match, but they're a little different, which I'm not complaining about because I actually love this washi tape. It is so nice. It's like way more vibrant than I thought they would be based on looking at everything in the kit. So these two are probably my favorite because I don't know if you can tell, but it has a bit of a gradient effect. It's much clearer here. This one's much softer. It reminds me of sunrise really early in the morning when you get those beautiful pastel colors in the sky. Sunset gives you harsher colors from my experience. It is also a lot easier to photograph because most people are awake then. It is very hard. It's usually harder to get the sunrise shot, but so that's why I appreciate the sunrise shot so much more. And it's kind of like, this is all glitter, but it reminds me of, what is it? Those cottontails in like a dry grass field. And it just, I don't know, it just looks so pretty. I know I'm probably reading into this particular washi tape way more than I should, but it's just beautiful. So then we've got some checkered ones here, also really great. I don't really know, this is like, not solid, but it's like a little bit cloudy. These are like little mushrooms, and this is kind of like wood grain is how I would interpret it. So basically, the washi tape is killing it in this kit because I love all of this. So that is pretty much everything in this month's Simply Gilded unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know I love this kit. I just don't know how she manages to get all the colors and everything to sit so well, but she does. And probably a standout is, for me, the washi tape, and definitely this. I've never seen this. I've been unboxing her boxes for like well over a year now, and the first time I've seen this, so yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.